I've got a special Ram truck announcement to make for this episode of the Passion Driven Life Project. But first, I'm gonna kick things off with a tour of this SCA Ram Black Widow. This SCA Ram Black Widow is equipped with a 6-inch suspension lift system comprised of heavy-duty, high-arching lower control arm crossmembers, extended length iron spindles, a 1/4-inch differential skid plate for drivetrain protection, impact struts, rear coil springs, and upgraded performance shocks. All of these components work together to provide superior ground clearance, handling, ride quality, and improved travel while still allowing ample space for 35-inch tires. BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires have been engineered for maximum performance over all-terrain types in all weather conditions. These tires have been mounted on 20-inch fuel battle axe wheels, which not only look good, especially with the hydro blue accents that match this Ram's paint job, but also assist with vehicle handling due to the wider stance achieved by the 0mm offset. Every foundation component is FMVSS certified and tough enough to dominate on and off-road adventures for years to come. Because these 0mm offset wheels stand wider than the factory wheel setup, we've installed fender flares to protect this Ram's body from debris that's deflected by the BFG tires. The pocket style flare design complements the aggressive look of the SCA Black Widow package. This Ram Black Widow has been outfitted with the industry-leading technology of AMP Research power running boards, which have been designed to perform optimally in all weather conditions and even improve vehicle aerodynamics. Painted interior trim accents, custom leather seating with Black Widow stitched headrests, and Black Widow speedometer gauges compose this Ram Black Widow's interior and take this complete Black Widow package to the next level. For more information about the SCA Ram Black Widow, including available options and upgrades, just go to scaperformance.com/ram-black-widow. And now, for that special announcement I told you about, SCA Performance has been a General Motors and Ford special vehicles manufacturer for many years. Being an approved second-tier upfitter means that we've had the unique opportunity to order trucks directly from GM and Ford, receive them from the factory, and equip them with our SCA exclusive packages before wholesaling them to dealerships all over the country. In the past, our success with Ram trucks was largely dependent on a dealer's willingness to allow SCA to install a package on a truck that was already in that dealer's inventory. That all changes today because SCA Performance has been awarded special vehicle manufacturer status for Ram trucks. In fact, our designers are currently developing concepts for Ram, and we'll soon be shipping trucks with SCA exclusive upgrades to dealerships all across the US. If Ram is your brand and you've been ready to get passion driven, your dream just became a reality.